A very warm welcome to all the viewers to our channel English Castle. The aim of this channel is to boost your confidence, improve your fluency in English, enhance your vocabulary. And how are we going to do it? Yes, my dear friends, we are going to help you to overcome the challenges. We all face these problems when we lack a platform to speak, where we have limited vocabulary, where we never got the opportunity to express ourselves in English language, or we never heard that much. Maybe we are living in an area where we are in a Hindi speaking belt. Nobody listens or speaks over there. How am I supposed to learn that? What are the things to be done? How can I improve my English? Yes, my dear friends, we can all overcome these challenges by following certain tips and tricks. There is no rocket science. We all can learn at any age. We all can learn if we want to. So there is no looking back and no stopping. Remember, where there is a will, there is a way. Now, let's come back to the challenges. When I'm speaking in English, I get butterflies in my stomach. I fumble. I don't have enough vocabulary. I feel afraid. I feel shy. And at times, I feel people will judge me, laugh at me when I go wrong. So many things going back in my mind when I am trying to speak, and at the same time, I am unable to concentrate on the given topic. Yes, my dear friends, we all go through that. And when we are limited with the vocabulary, it hampers us. And yes, it definitely shakes the confidence because English is the need of the hour. Everywhere, English is highly recommended. It is a prestigious language, yes, because it is spoken widely all over the world. So, English is to be practiced well. Any language has to be practiced so that we can speak fluently. So, now, what are the things which will help us to overcome these challenges? First, First is you should be able to, you should every day pick up 5 to 7 new words and memorize them. You should know the meaning of these words. You should be able to use these words in your everyday life so that when it comes to speaking, you are not short of words. Second, memorize some conversational phrases. Now, when you memorize them, it so happens that when it comes to practice or when it comes to a speaking time, you are able to speak with confidence because you know these phrases are proper. So it definitely helps us. After doing that, you can listen to some excellent audiobooks, podcast, videos, because when you are listening, it helps you to learn better, remember better. And when we are listening, it helps us to learn the language better. So, my dear friends, nowadays in the era of internet, everything is so easily available. Listen to something good for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. Make notes of it. Listen how they are expressing. What is the tone? What are the words used to express the topic? And the best part is, you can select the topic of your own choice. If you are a student and you're studying science, you can pick up any scientific topic on an audiobook or a podcast and listen to it. If you are a housewife, listen to something which interests you. Well, you can listen to a recipe, how to make something. You can listen to a conversation between two friends, and it will help you in so many other ways. So, my dear friends, listening helps us to improve our conversational skills. Then, when you have done these two things, every day pick up a topic and speak. Practice speaking. Where am I supposed to speak? With whom should I speak? I have nobody around. I live in a hostel. or nobody speaks English in my house, or my friends never speak in English because they themselves are struggling. What is the fun? Yes, my dear students, yes, my dear viewers, it is going to help you. You have to practice. Take any topic, prepare something on it, and at least speak 2 to 3 minutes without break. And once you have done it, record yourself. Check your recordings. Are you able to do it? Are you able to make less errors? Were you able to speak confidently? Eventually, you will find after some practices, you will see that there is an improvement in your confidence. There is an improvement the way you speak. So this is very, very important how you're going to speak. So, for example, you have a phone. So you can speak few lines about a phone. What are the different features of the phone? How do you use this phone? And how your phone is better than some other phone. So you can do the comparison as well. So these are the small things which are going to help you. Pick any topic. So, my dear friends, in the coming days, we are going to upload videos on vocabulary, grammar, and spoken English topics. Please be connected with us, subscribe our channel, like our channel, and share it too. Till then, happy learning. Bye.